there, show you how to use an impact screwdriver. A lot of times what happens is the screws are so tight or rusted in that you can't turn with the regular screwdriver. So they designed a impact screwdriver. You can put different bits inside of it. You put different bits on the inside of here, different sizes. The way it works is when I hit this with the hammer, it actually turns it slightly to the left. So it's going to break free the rust. It'll come undone nice and easy.
Pretty sure there's a bolt. There's one right here. Nah, these. But there's something right there. Yeah, right there. This one. What are you trying to take off? This.